Finally got him.
Mm-hmm.
Is he a small one?
No.
He's got the line going down?
Yeah.
Need help?
No, it's just stuck in there pretty good. Took long enough. Can't get, okay. There we go.
Atta boy, nice fish. Oh shit.
World's smallest bass.
That's gotta be the smallest bass I've ever seen.
My God.
He's so tiny. I guess I had him on there, I didn't even know. He was so small.
Ooh.
You want him?
Yeah, sure.
Keep the tip up. You got it?
Yep.
Keep the tip up. There you go. It's a pike.
Oh.
You got the camera on?
Yep.
Yep, he's a pike, Josh.
Yes!
Get him in the boat right here. Put him to me. Wow, he's giant. Oh, nope. Nice, kiddo. That's a pickerel, dude.
Is it?
It's a chain pickerel. Here, let me see this. Don't let him bite you.
Oh.
Look at how nice he is. I think that's a chain pickerel. That's a big one. Oh, he was nice, huh?
Mm-hmm. Another one. Yep. Oh my God.